Boom. The Junkyard. The Junkyard is ready to go. Let me tell y'all something about this thing. Hey, what's up? Shade Tree back. What's going on? In the Silverado. If you didn't know, Silverado's back again for like the 90 millionth time since I got it. It's always gone. Y'all hear that? That's the big dog right there. About to go on an adventure. What's good? Y'all hear that thing? Y'all hear that thing? Wait. Y'all hear that thing? Yeah, I like that. I know you do. We about to have some fun. We about to have some real deal fun. Y'all hear that? That's 5.3 liters of pure displacement right there. Y'all don't know nothing about that. 5.3 liters of pure LS. Overhead valve, cam in block engine. Can't wait till I get a supercharger on this thing. And I don't got my seatbelt on. Turn this shit off. Fucking lights. I was putting ARP head studs in that thing today. I'm gonna show y'all that tomorrow. Oh man, I need to service it soon. 214,000 miles. Hey, y'all can't beat this. Y'all can't beat this at all. I bet my neighbor's gonna look at me crazy because it's the middle of the night. I'm in my truck, right? Damn. Hey, and it's foggy outside right now. Look at that. Y'all think this would be a good one? Y'all not ready for this. Jesus Christ. I like the Crocs. Tell y'all something about this thing. Tell y'all something now. It's a race truck, muscle truck. Nice to see how this thing feels. Best feeling car I ever had. Woo. And I got stuff in the back right now. Lowering frame and shit like that. And you can see all the rubber too. This thing like ice skates the whole time. Trying to get away from all these cars. I think somebody's following me now. I hope not. Crackhead back there. Crackhead back there drunk as fuck. That's how I'm trying to get the Silverado to sound right there. spot. Spot where you can just go crazy. Do whatever you want there. Get your shoe signed. Do some donuts. You do everything under the sun. You want to do some blow over there? Do some blow. You know, one time I was over there, seen a crackhead leaning next to a fire. Hey, we almost there. We like right here. I'm gonna record from right here. Hey, we ain't in the spot, but fuck it. Oh, this motherfucker don't want to do it. Don't burn out. Ah! What y'all know about that? Couldn't make it to the spot, but hey, fuck it. I got to see some little activities with the junkyard, the piece of shit. Ah, man. I got a quick little glimpse of what I do in this truck. And let me tell you, this truck is hilarious. Y'all hear these crickets? There's one over there. I don't know if y'all see that. Things are annoying. All this chirping and shit they do. Jesus, but hey, hope y'all like this video.